Not sure how to dress in the winter snow? When the weather turns cold, staying warm while maintaining a stylish look is achievable by effectively employing layers, outerwear, and accessories. Begin with a warm base layer, such as long underwear or moisture-wicking undershirts made from materials like silk or wool, while avoiding cotton next to the skin. Build on this with an insulating middle layer, opting for sturdy, breathable fabrics like fleece, wool, and flannel inshirts, sweaters, or heavy pants like denim and corduroy, making sure the middle layer is easily removable if you get too warm indoors. Finally, top your outfit with heavy, insulated outerwear like a neutral-colored parka or hard soft-shell coat, and protect extremities with thick, moisture-wicking socks, warm gloves or mittens, and a suitable winter hat to ensure maximum warmth indoors.